2022 Cadillac CT5V Blackwing. They only made about 1,600 of these, only about 700 in manual, which is what this one is. It's boasting a 6.2 liter, 668 horsepower engine out of the ZR1 Corvette. And it's got a 6-speed manual, and you still got all 4 doors, 5 seats, 0 to 60 in 3.4 seconds, and it's top speed of 200 miles an hour. Now that is one hell of a car. And as you can see, it doesn't look like your regular Cadillac. In this case, we have just a jet black finish, 19-inch forged wheels, red calipers, 6 pistons, and we've already tinted the windows, but the rest of it is completely stock, but not for long.